This video is going to show you how to make a presentation in Smart Notebook. It's just like using PowerPoint. It's very simple. Right, if you look on the left, you see the different slides, and I can go to insert a blank page. I can add a page here. So here are the different pages or slides that I can show. If I want to add text to my slide, so if I click here, and I can click up at the top, I can type states of matter. And then everywhere I click, as long as I'm on the text tool, it'll make another text box. So maybe I'm going to put, this whole slide is going to be about solids. And then I could go over here to the picture frame, which is the gallery, and maybe I'm going to look for a shape or picture for solids. So I'm just going to type desk and see what we have. So desk, and let's see, click on the pictures, don't see a desk. Let's look for something else. Table. There we go. So I can double click on the table, bring it in here, so there's a solid, and I can keep searching in here, but don't forget, if you go to the picture frame, you have a lot more pictures in the image search. So let's try to search for that table again, and I can decide if I want a picture or clip art. Let's do a regular picture. So I'm going to type table and search, and there we go. It should come up with, oh, there we go. So I can put my solids on this page, and then I can go to my other pages and add more content. So you can add text boxes, you can add pictures to make your slideshow, and then we'll need you to go to File, Save As. Go ahead and put it on the desktop, and we will use this later when we're working on Smart Online. So I'm just going to call this Practice Summer 2019. And there you go. And that's it.